Good morning to all students. Welcome to KIDZ MILLENNIUM School. Class LKG. Subject English. Vowel Sound I. See the pictures and write the words. Some pictures are given here. We have to see these pictures and write the words here. So let's start. First is kid. Kid means a small child. Kid. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. I is a vowel. K-I-D, kid. Next is zip. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. And I is a vowel. Z-I-P, zip. Next is pig. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. I is a vowel. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. Next is lid. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. I is a vowel. L-I-D, lid. And next is tin. T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. I is a vowel. So write down here. T-I-N, tin. K-I-D, kid. Z-I-P, zip. P-I-G, pig. L-I-D, lid. T-I-N, tin. So you have to do this work in your English notebook in the same way. Thank you.